Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business thumbnail design using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in the main image for the business thumbnail. First thing, I duplicate the background layer to work safely. I go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Posterize. I slow down here and gently move the level slider, watching how the image simplifies into bold color blocks. For business thumbnails, clarity is everything. I stop when the subject feels strong and readable even at small size. Some areas lose definition, so I add a layer mask and softly paint back important details like the face and logo.